You may think the family that lives in this house and the family that lives in this house don't have much in common, but I got to tell you, they both have to eat, right? They both have bills to pay, and they both need to have a will.
Certainly, wealthy people need wills, but also average people need wills just to decide who does get what, and that you don't want your 2-year-old to own the house with your spouse.
What would your 2-year-old own your house? Well, that just sounds absolutely ridiculous, right? But under North Carolina law, if you die without a will, your estate is shared by your surviving spouse and your kids, no matter what their ages. Don't have children? Well, then your estate is shared by your surviving spouse and your parents. Really? And before you think about doing a will yourself, because it may be expensive to see a lawyer, think about this.
They absolutely can shop around if that price point is important to them. What we don't recommend is that they do it themselves, because the errors that get made aren't discovered until the person has passed away, and oftentimes they're irreparable. So I think you can find an affordable will. And if you don't like the cost or just can't afford it, also ask the attorney to work with you on paying it. A lot of us will let somebody pay it over a few months.
All right, so what about power of attorney and also your healthcare power of attorney? These designations can make it seem like you're no longer in control of your money or your health, but in reality, when you put it on paper, you can add special instructions and boundaries. But if you don't put it on paper, the courts then just appoint someone, and you don't get to choose. So don't guess at legal situations like this, or family custody, or employment, or housing issues, or taxes. Instead, talk to a lawyer, and tomorrow you can do that for free. For All Service Day gives you the opportunity to call in and get free legal information one-on-one with a lawyer. So take a screenshot of this number or write it down, 336-355-6262. The phones are open Friday from 11 to 7.